Welcome! This is one in a series of how-to videos for IMD2. In this video, we will cover how to extract data with an input file using the Decomp tool. The first thing we need is our input file. These are a simple text file with just a single item per line. We will be searching by NIN, so we've listed a few here. Save this file as text in a location you can find later and give it a meaningful name. Decomp statements can be entered directly into a command prompt or in a simple text file as part of a larger job. In this example, we are going to create a simple text file. Using Notepad or some other text editor, enter each decomp statement on a separate line as we have already done here. Each decomp statement has four main parts. The first is the path to the decomp tool. Next is the path to the IMD product to be extracted. Then the select statement. Last is the path where the output is to be saved along with the name of the output file. The select statements in this example will pull only the data we specify. Select what data elements, in this case star or all the data elements, from what table, in this example vFreight, vFliss Packaging 2, and vFliss Packaging 3. Where the primary key is in the specified file. Note the syntax for the where clause when specifying an input file rather than a NIN. The @ symbol denotes an input file. When all the desired decomp statements are in the file, save as a .bat, give it a meaningful name, and close. From here, open a command prompt and browse to the location of your recently saved batch file. Type the name of the batch file and press Enter to run the job. You'll see some status as each of the statements process. Decomp jobs will vary in time to completion depending on the length of the input file and the key searched. This was a fast job as the input file only had a few items, but decomp jobs can take a list of hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of items. As you can see, the decomp job has completed, and there is status regarding each statement in the file. Inside, you will see a full data set with the data fields at the top in pipe delimited format. These files can be opened in Notepad, Excel, Access, or imported into some other database. That was how to extract data with an input file using the Decomp tool. Check out our other videos on how to use IMD2. Thanks for watching.